Welcome to a demo of Builder Visual CMS. Builder is incredibly powerful and is used by customers to build and optimize content across their existing sites, apps, and e-commerce storefronts. We're going to use our Shopaholic demo here to show you how you can quickly prepare your storefront for promotion, like Black Friday. This is what we call the Studio tab. This shows your website, and you can hover over various areas to see what's editable in Builder. This is a completely custom website. It doesn't matter what platform or language or framework your website is made with. You can see here that we have a full page editable here, the home page, but this announcement bar is editable in Builder, as is if we open the cart, this promotional area of our cart. These areas we call custom drop zones, and it's a really cool way you can integrate Builder to allow marketing and non-developer control of any area of your site you like. Other places people often control content with Builder is like heroes on collection pages, detail on product pages, you name it. One of the most common ways customers start with Builder is adding new pages to their e-commerce site in the form of landing pages for paid or email marketing, content pages like About Us, or even creating a blog and blog posts. Let's create a new landing page on our site for BFCM promotion. We can just hit New Page, and we'll just call it Black Friday Deals. You'll see that when editing in Builder, you're editing right on your actual website. Any content we add automatically inherits our styling, typographies, etc., so things are actually quite on brand by default. We can go in, change this to be a heading 1, and say Shop Black Friday Deals, for instance. We can add additional content like columns, buttons, you name it. Everything is responsive by default, and we generate clean, SEO-optimized, performance-optimized, ADA-compliant code, so you always have fast loading and accessible pages. One great thing we can do here is control styling. You can control who has permissions to edit styling versus content, and those who do can actually edit any part or feature of this page to make sure it's exactly the way that you need it to look and feel. Anything that we like, we can save as a template very easily with a couple clicks. And then, once we've created some templates, reusing content we've already made and perfected is incredibly easy. So I can delete this content, head back, and use some templates we've already created. We've got this great hero for one version of our Black Friday promotions. We also have these great columns. We can customize any of the content, such as Black Friday deals, and everything like you already expect is responsive and optimized by default. Now, let's run an A/B test on this content. It's incredibly easy to do. I can just go to the Tests tab, create a new variation. I can add as many as I want and change the percents to be anything that we need, and go back and edit each variation to be unique in its own way. In my case, perhaps instead of showing sort of high-level categories you can shop, let's put products directly on this page. So for this variation, I will delete this section, and I'm going to add some products. It's very easy to connect Builder to your product catalog, as well as components from your code. Like this is a React component from a custom code base. We can change any of the options. So in our case, maybe we'll keep this the same. We'll show small, we'll show women's, and we'll show maybe 7 products. Great. There's no limit to the type of components you can include in Builder content. They can be products grids like here, they can be sign-up or newsletter sign-up forms, they could be anything that your developers might produce or that you might produce yourself. Now that we have this great page, another awesome thing we can do is we can segment our traffic and show different content to different visitors. In order to do that, we can make a duplicate of this page. Segmentation in Builder is incredibly powerful. We can segment off of anything that we know about our visitors and customize the controls that we expose here in the interface. So, in our case, we know many things about our visitors that are exposed and targetable inside of Builder. For instance, customers who previously shopped men's products, we can label as shopping menswear. And let's make a version of our page specific to men's shoppers. So, in my case, I'm going to do something similar, and I'm going to delete this section. And I'm going to add products, and this time I'm going to choose, we're going to show men's products. Maybe change the options however we like again. Builder will automatically track a range of insights so you can see between any of your segmentation or A/B tests which content is converting best and why. You can also sync this with your custom analytics system and send custom properties and events to us as well. Let's do one last thing and schedule this content to only be live during the period of time that we're running this deal, and maybe shortly before. So we'll run this promotion from a date range that we specify, and when we hit publish, it'll automatically go live on your site at the exact time that you chose. Builder Visual CMS is not limited to just page building. You can integrate what we call custom drop zones to any part of your website. Each of these is incredibly easy to integrate and can give non-developers control of key areas of your site, for instance, announcement bars, cart upsells, or anything else. All of these areas are easily editable just like you saw, and support all the same features that you already saw. For instance, targeting and segmentation, scheduling, A/B testing, and conversion tracking and optimization. Thank you for watching this demo of Builder Visual CMS.